In this video, I will show you how to see your YouTube Wrapped 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So with YouTube, they do something similar to Spotify Wrapped, which is called YouTube Rewind, which is basically like a YouTube Wrapped version similar to Spotify. So to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up an internet browser, and you want to come across to videorecap.viewodyssey.com. So that's going to take you across to a page like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do, you're going to get some different options. You want to click onto this one which says, "It's my first time, guide me through the process." So once you go ahead and click onto this, it's going to guide you through what to do, but of course I'm going to show you what to do as well. The first thing you're going to want to do from here is click onto this link which says visit Google Takeout. Before you do this, make sure you are logged into the correct YouTube account that you want to do your YouTube Wrap for, and then click the link down here. So what's going to happen, it's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now what you're going to want to do from here in this section underneath products, you want to make sure the box is ticked for YouTube and YouTube Music, and then you want to click onto multiple formats underneath. That's going to bring up a screen like this, and what you're going to want to do from here is just scroll down until you get towards the history section, so just down here, and on here you want to change it from HTML to JSON. So this is the correct file format you need in order to access your YouTube Wrapped. So you want to make sure you change that and then press OK. And once that's done, just go ahead and press the blue next step button. So it's going to take you to the file type, frequency and destination. What you can now do is choose where to send this file to. You're going to need this file a bit later on in order to access your YouTube Wrap. So you've got a couple of options for where you can send this. As you can see, you can send a download link via an email. You can add it to your Google Drive or a Dropbox, and there's a couple of different options for you. So in this example, I'm just going to send the download link via email, and what you're going to want to do is choose a frequency. So you can leave this as it is. For the file type and size, you can leave this as a zip file, and for the file size, they're generally larger than 2 GB. So if you leave this at 2 GB, it's going to be split into multiple different folders. So it's better to actually select a bigger folder. This is more so down to your watch history, so how often you've used YouTube will depend upon the size of the file. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to leave this one at 10 GB and then press the blue create export button. So as you can see, it now says that Google is creating a copy of files from your YouTube and YouTube Music. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete, and you'll receive an email when your export is done. So this is now in the process of being created. As it says, it can take a long time, but generally it doesn't. It normally takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So what you're going to want to do is just keep an eye on your email that is linked to your YouTube account, and once that's done, you'll have the file ready to download. So once your file is ready and you've downloaded that onto your system, what you're going to want to do is come back to videorecap.viewodyssey.com. Now what you're going to want to do from here is now go ahead and click the next step, which says I already have my data, let me upload it. So once you click onto this, as you can see, it needs to be in a .json file, which we did earlier in the tutorial. So all you would do from here is go ahead and press the upload watch history button, this red button down here. And of course from here, what you're going to want to do is select the file that you've downloaded. So once that's done and you've uploaded your folder, what you can do is come back to the main page, so videorecap.viewodyssey.com, and it's going to go ahead and show you your YouTube Wrapped. Now this is just a sample one because I'm still waiting for mine to download. But you can see this is what it basically looks like. So it says this year you watched 12,898 videos from 3,587 different creators. And there's about 8 different pages of different stats. So as you can see, it's similar to Spotify Wrapped. So then it's going to do things like a pop quiz, who was your top creator this year, and then it's just going to go through. So your most watched creator was Penguinzo. You watched your videos 961 times this year. That is quite goofy indeed. So there's about 8 pages of different stats, and it's going to show you top creators that you watched as well as your top videos and your watch time and things like that. So that's how to go ahead and see your YouTube Wrapped 2023. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.